So this is our Thor Outlaw, and just yesterday morning we're getting set to enjoy a 4th of July vacation, little getaway, and went to pull in the slides and it didn't work. More specifically, went to press the button. The slide on this side, you could hear it running and it was starting to draw in, but the other side was not. So figured it had to be a problem. So we looked around this side and looked at some of the discussion on the internet talking about this rail could be damaged. Lots of helpful advice, but none of it actually helped, unfortunately. So looked a little bit deeper and found that there is a controller for each slide, and to find that you have to go into the compartment, and we went in here, and up above you'll see this white box with the wires. That's the controller for the slide. It's not doing anything right now. There's no flashing lights. However, when we went into it yesterday, it was flashing, and that is signaling codes, letting you know what the problem is. So in this case, it was flashing 8 times. So a red light would be flashing 8 times, it would pause and then start all over again. So that you have on the writing there, it's upside down. So we had to take a picture of it and then turn it around and see that the 8 flashes means that there was a wire short between the motor and this controller. So no idea how to fix that. So what we did is we ended up pulling off each one of those connectors at the top here. So you can see right up here, there's a connector there, connector. We ended up pulling off all 3 of those and then reattaching them. Then inside that black area, there is a gray, small gray button. It's a soft button, and you press that 6 times and then hold it on the 7th time, and it will turn green as you do that, signaling that it's been reset. So we did that, and so undid the connectors, connected them back up, pressed the button 6 times, held it on the 7th time, got the green light, then tried retracting, and it worked. So hopefully that helps. That's one quick solution after going through a lot of different things. The codes are listed there, but there's also a manual that I'll link to, a technical manual with more details about it, so you have it. Hopefully that helps you.